the hardest part of poverty is not only hunger, but the struggle to keep dignity and hope. As a brother of Dion Angelo de la Rosa, we feel deeply honored over his death. His death was not a curse of only one reason. Dili lang ni tungod sa kapobrehon tungod ko ni sa kanang bitawang kanang corruption o kung sa kanang injustice sa atong society. But many effects of the governance system and laws, double standards of justice and fairness in the society that make us even turun. So, mo to ang na dili lang ni tungod sa kapobrehon, tungod sa walay trabaho, tungod ko ni sa kanang dili nga kanang dili bantay nga sa society. Yet, amidst the suffering, we believe that God is present. He is with us in our poverty because He also suffered. And through His resurrection, He gives us hope. He is with us today. So, masungya kami sa atong leksyon na ang reign of God, dili na lugar, dili karon. So, si Nico may akong na natin kay siya maayo ay po explain na niya.
Discuss on the poverty, suffering, and the miserables, reflection for those where God chooses to the blessings of Jesus Christ. Sa among malandong, the kanang pamilya ni De La Rosa shows us how God reveals themselves sa mga lowest. Mapod ang ingon ni Hugo Victor Hugo no, kung iyang hindi pa yun about sa miserable, kung mga nasa lowest sa society. That's why their family mirrors the biblical analogy. The poor choosing katong mga pobre na nag-rely lang kundi sa Ginoo. Then, the life and death of Jelo mirror the life of Jesus, where with poverty chosen to self-empty grace, dying among the despised. Makita man nato sa iyang kinabuhi, sa iyang na ikaw makato ka sa iyong iyang sakripisyo ba na makato dito sa bisan baha o siya naguna-una. For example, ang Ginoo ka na po, no? Na iyang kinabuhi ni Jelo nakadepende sa grasya sa Ginoo. The sacrifice that he made for his father becomes contemporary point of the cross, showing the systematic injustice while revealing the presence of God in the world. Kana sa ako ang pamalandong, personally, murag na ang ginabuhi ni Jelo na po na ako sa ang mga bata sa foundation. Kaya naapod ba sa ilaha na injustice, kaya tungkol sa ilang kapobre, na mangawat sila, then after nilang pangawat, anuan sila sa batas, pero mangawat sila tungkol sa right pangawat sa ilang pamilya. Murag di ako ng papa ni Jelo, mas hindi kung nagarakas siya si Jelo. So, magbarang mahatag sa pamilya. Mauna, their family, makonsider na silang miserables because they represent the innocent who suffer due to systematic injustice. Then those who love themselves with rehabilitation, and the ones to whom God's presence becomes visible to those with eyes to see. Mauna, diingon ni Hugo na miserable sila tungod, dili tungod sa ilang kapobre, tungod na nato ang Ginoo sa ilang kapobre.
Explain how their experiences can serve as revelation of God for outsiders, melting away their false security and illusion. If we learn to see with the eyes of God that even painful experiences can become a revelation of His presence. So, kung ato ang tanawon, mag-theocentric ka, makita na atong sufferings, ang mga sufferings nila o sa experiences nila, katong Dion Angelo, is a revelation of His presence. The sufferings of Dion Angelo de la Rosa and his family is a concrete example seen through God's perspective. Their pain is more than tragedy. It is God revealing Himself to us. This revelation is both a discovery and a call. A discovery, Jesus reveals Himself in the face of the poor and those who suffer injustice. Just as He stood with the marginalized and the social discriminated, He continues to be present in the struggle of people today. It is a call because God's invitation to us, we are called to set aside our excuses and comforts so that we will respond to His kingdom here and now. It is a call to become His co-workers, to share in His mission, to help make God's reign visible in the world. Thus, suffering when we embrace with faith does not end with despair. Instead, it becomes a very place where God draws near, reveals Himself, and invites us to join Him in bringing hope and justice. In this way, even in sorrow, we discover deeper joy, the joy of knowing God is with us today. So, mabili, pagyapo nga ang ring of God, kung bisan pag sa atong papubliko, kung makita lang na po na siya, kuwan nag-bring ang income, makita na po, pamil na po ang joy, bisan pag kung saan akong kuwan, nagalisod ng karoon. So, articulate power their struggle is a call to others to find God because the way to God passes through the poor. The story of Leonangelo de la Rosa was an eye-opener for us. Their struggle is not merely a social issue to be solved, it is a living signpost pointing us toward God. In their vulnerabilities, we see the face of God who emptied Himself and chose poverty not as misfortune but as a mission. When we encounter the poor, we are being invited into something far deeper than charity. To walk with the poor is to walk the path of Christ Himself walked. When we come close to those who are hurting, we step into the heart of God, of God's love, a love that doesn't